Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand induction cooktop and you're getting a U400 error on it. If you're getting this error, the stove is probably also not working. You're wondering, well, what is this error and how do I get rid of it? So the E400 error is basically the stove detecting that it's not getting the proper electricity that it needs to function properly. So you need to figure out, to get rid of the error, you need to figure out why is it not getting the electricity that it needs. And there's a couple culprits that it can be. Number one, you could have, which is unlikely, but you could have bought your stovetop in one country and now you're installing it in another country. And the electrical protocols are different in different countries, and so it can get confused by the electricity that it's getting if it's getting it in a different country than where it's programmed to get. But more likely, there's something going on where you're not getting the electricity it needs. And a couple of them could be, if you have this connected to the electricity via an extension cord, the extension cord might not be heavy duty enough in order to carry the current necessary. So if you have it plugged in via an extension cord or any kind of cabling beyond what's provided by the stove into your electricity, I would undo that and plug it directly in, get it hooked directly in, or if you need to use an extension cord, swap the one you have out for a heavier duty one and see if it doesn't get rid of this error. That might get rid of the error. The next thing you can try is check the circuit that it's on. If the circuit that it's on has different things on that circuit, some of them might be pumping electricity off, which would create either an insufficient or an unstable supply of electricity to the stove and not allow it to operate properly. So to troubleshoot that and check it, all you need to do is just find out what else is on the circuit and make sure all that stuff is turned off, and see if that doesn't get rid of the error. And if that does get rid of the error, you'll know where it is. And the best thing you could do to remedy that is to just put the stove on its own circuit so that it doesn't have to compete with anything else for the electricity that it needs. But anyways, hope one of these things solves the problems for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.